Hi, this is Chris with RC Worst & Company. We're here today to look at the SJE Rhombus Pumpmaster float switch. This is a mechanically activated wide-angle pump switch which is designed for direct control of pumps, 1/2 horsepower to 1 horsepower, 120 volts or 230 volts. This switch features heavy-duty contacts and has an adjustable pumping range of 7 to 36 inches. It comes with a standard mounting clamp and is UL listed and recognized for use in potable water as well as wastewater. The switch is available in standard cord lengths, 10, 15, 20, 30 feet, and can be ordered in longer lengths. It can also be ordered in pump up or pump down configurations and is available with a 120 or 230 volt piggyback plug. These floats do boast a 5-year manufacturer warranty. The quality of design and proven reliability makes this switch our go-to for light-duty pumping applications. Here's a quick key to help you understand the model number of a Pumpmaster float. In this example, we have a 10PMD1WP. The 10 means the cable length is 10 feet. PM stands for Pumpmaster, which indicates that it is a mechanical float switch and not a mercury float switch. The D would be for pump down, or normally open as it's commonly referred to, and the 1 refers to a 120 volt configuration on the piggyback plug, thus signified WP or with plug. This and many other float switches can be found on our website at rcworst.com.